Hello and welcome to Go Google. Today I am going to talk about machine learning. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is the science of teaching machines how to learn by themselves. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth we would want machines to learn by themselves? I mean, haven't we seen enough movies where evil AI takes over the world? You all remember the Terminator, right? Well, machine learning has a lot of benefits. Machines can do high frequency repetitive tasks with high accuracy without getting bored. There are a lot of other benefits. Simply put, machine learning allows the user to feed a computer algorithm an immense amount of data and have the computer analyze and make data driven recommendations and decisions based on only the input data. Machine learning may sound relatively new concept to you, but I can assure you, you already are reaping the benefits of machine learning since a long time without even knowing that you are using concepts of machine learning. The word predictions your keyboard makes to help you type quickly and save you from embarrassment of spelling mistakes is done using machine learning. Google Assistant, Alexa also work on concepts of machine learning. Voice to text, again machine learning. Better focus, white balance and shutter speed on your smartphone camera is also done using machine learning. There are so many uses of machine learning I probably cannot cover in this one video. So I am creating a series of videos. In that series I'll talk about artificial intelligence, types of machine learning algorithms, common algorithms and what are they useful for, and also in-depth analysis of how a certain algorithm works. I have put videos of machine learning mini projects so that you keep practicing and find different ways and places where you can implement them. Thank you.